Oh, come on, Leaf. There goes the Kona. Oh, he spun his wheels.
Good start. Ooh, I'm losing traction.
But it's closer than I thought.
And I have a hair. He's coming back.
Hey guys, every time we do an electric car video, you guys let us know in the comments that you think electric cars are boring. Well, that's kind of true. Expensive, that's true as well, and that they're kind of the toaster of the car world. Well, today we've got 3 electric cars that are going to prove you wrong, because there's one thing that electric cars are, and that is quick. And Andre has brought a non-electric car for some reason to this upcoming drag race. Andre, why did you bring the Mini GP to our testing of 3 electric cars?
Because I think it's the benchmark. It's a sporty little car that I think will take all of these.
But it's not electric, Andre.
No, I know, it's internal combustion. It's the goodness.
All right, so let's get the Solo DL mounted. Let's do some drag racing. How do we do this?
Well, how about Mini GP versus Mini SE?
Okay.
And then the other 2 cars go, and then the winners of each race each other.
All right, well, let's do that. But first, let's introduce the contestants to today's drag races. So you may be wondering, why are we drag racing EVs? Well, because it's fun, and because when we put the Solo DL on them, it's informative. So our first contestant is this. It's the brand new 2022 Mini SE. It's an all-electric Mini that puts out 181 horsepower. Next is the Kona EV, and this has been restyled, and it's a little bit more powerful at 201 horsepower. And finally, back here is the, well, I would say brand new, but it's been around the longest, the current generation of the Leaf at 214 horsepower. Now, Andre's brought some dinosaur juice eating monster over there, so I'll let him tell you about what that is.
Howdy folks, this video was brought to you by Manscaped.com. Christmas came early this year. Why? Because I have the new Performance Package by Manscaped. Let's check it out. Manscaped created the first performance kit that has you covered from head to toe, literally. Your jingle balls will thank you. This is the new Lawnmower 4.0. It has skin-safe technology, an LED light, it's waterproof, and it's awesome. Here's a stocking stuffer for you. The Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant and Crop Reviver Ball Toner Spray. This is a game changer. And this is the new Weed Whacker. It's for nose and hair, and I had no idea I needed it so badly. And for a limited time, you can get not 1 but 2 free gifts. That's including the Shed Manscaped travel bag and the Manscaped anti-chafing boxer briefs. Your loved ones will thank you this holiday season. Don't wait, go to manscaped.com and use the promo code FASTLANECAR to get 20% off plus free international shipping plus 2 free gifts.
I brought this Mini GP because it is the sportiest car we have in the fleet, and drag racing is all about torque, which is why I brought the least amount. Well, it is a turbocharged engine. It represents the state of the art, at least 8 years ago, of gasoline powered sports cars with 211 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. And it's also a manual transmission. No buttons, no little dials here.
Hey Andre, why didn't you bring the TRX?
Well, Roman, well, I should have, I could have, but no, this is about cars.
All right, guys, I am in the future, and Andre over there is in the past. Hey, Andre, what's it like to be living in the past?
It's incredible. Do you have a red seatbelt?
No, I've got a Smokey the Bear, though. Does that count?
Do you have a manual transmission? Do you have a sport mode? Do you have traction control disabled?
I do have a sport mode, and I'm about to put it in sport mode. Thank you for reminding me.
I'm locked and loaded in this GP. It's lightweight. It's like a boy racer. I feel 20 years younger immediately.
Good luck, Andre. Bye-bye. You had a shift.
Why did it kill me? So Roman, the traction control I disabled and it's still holding me back.
Sure, Blame the tech, Andre. What was your time? 0 to 60.
Do you really want to know?
Let's say what, 7.5?
8.6.
Ouch. All right, here, let's do this. Let's drag the other 2 cars, and then the winner will take on this car, and then I'll try the GP just at the very end of this, just for fun, and see if I could do a little better.
10-4.
So drag racing, unfortunately, is all about torque, and that's because I've only got 250-ish or so torque in the Leaf, whereas Andre has 291. In fact, that Kona is a torque monster. It should rule the roost. So I think I'll give Andre the solo. Andre already has a solo deal. Winner, winner. Andre, this thing sounds like a bad Las Vegas slot machine when it's backing up.
You need to hear mine.
You know what that sounds like?
A morning breeze.
It sounds like, one of those automated coffee makers that's telling you it's dispensing coffee.
Okay, now I'm gonna dispense some whooping.
Oh, come on, Leaf. There goes the Kona. Oh, he spun his wheels.
Good start. Ooh, I'm losing traction.
But it's closer than I thought.
And I have a hair. He's coming back.
It's very close, actually. Oh my, Andre, that was closer than I thought.
Yeah, that was really good. I was losing a little bit of traction, but still moving.
So what was your time?
Wait, don't tell me, because if you tell me, you will give away the results of the next race. So just show the camera. Actually, don't show the camera. We'll show it at the very end.
It's a secret.
I'm back in the mini EV, racing the Kona this time. All right, this is what sport mode looks like, in case you're wondering. I flick up this little toggle switch, and look at that. Ooh, I am in sport mode now, so now I get serious.
I am also in sport.
You have a sport mode?
You betcha. I have a lot of modes and buttons.
All right, you ready? Let's do this.
Okay, this might be a tough one for me, because really the Mini is smaller, maybe a little bit lighter than I am. Go!
Oh, it's close.
I'm taking off. Oh, I'm losing traction. What?
The Mini. Oh, bye-bye, Andre. Oh yeah.
Dude, I think the car was about as quick as last time, but you just work faster.
So what is your 0 to 60 time?
Read it and weep. Well, I'm weeping because it's 7 seconds even.
Wow, so the Mini SE takes the day. All right, well, how about this? I'm going to get in the GP and you get in the Leaf, and let's find out how quick that is from 0 to 60, and we'll do a loser's bracket. Now, I can hear all the Tesla fans out there screaming that Tesla would rule the day here, and you know what? They're correct.
Yes, but can you get a Tesla currently at, what, 40,000 or less?
You cannot, and you get your money back from the federal government when you buy a Tesla. You do not. And actually, can you even get a Tesla right now? Probably not. So, these cars are at least obtainable. Hey guys, we're here at IMI Motorsports. You too can come here and have fun on the racetrack, or bring your dirt bike and have a little bit of fun on the motocross course.
Are you on all the right modes?
Well, my check engine light is on, so I suppose I am.
Well, that's been on all day.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, there we go.
Ooh, Roman is pretty good. And then he just falls off the cliff.
Much closer, dude. So close.
Yeah, do you want to do another 0 to 60?
No, that's okay. How did you go?
So the Leaf is 7.54. So the Mini SC was 6.5, then the Kona was 7, and this is 7.5.
And I think I was probably about maybe a quarter to a half second behind you.
So you were a little bit quicker than me in that car, but still the internal combustion did not win today.
So Andre, I started this video saying that electric cars are quick, but they're boring. Well, we've proved that they're certainly quick, but are they boring?
Well, you know, I think Kona is actually pretty cool because I could hear it clawing for traction when I was accelerating. That's pretty cool.
No, sir, you are wrong. Electric
What?
cars are just like regular cars. It's not about what powers them, but it's about the driving dynamics. So the two Minis are a hoot, and yet, well, the Kona is boring, and the Leaf, my God, that is uber boring.
Okay, whatever you say, I still like the Kona.
Well, there you have it, guys. Let us know in the comments below what you think. As always, this is Roman.
And Andre.
And hopefully, Andre, we're not uber boring. See you next time. Ciao.